Would you ever want to touch a live energized power line? Of course not, if you love your life. So, how can birds not only touch but sit on live power lines safely and comfortably without getting any shock and without getting electrocuted? Today we are going to explain the science behind this. First, we remind the basic principle behind the flow of electrical current. Current always flows as a result of voltage or potential difference between 2 points. Without any potential difference between 2 points, current will never flow. We explain this with a simple example. Consider a wooden plank placed on a stand. The stand is adjusted such that one end of the wooden plank is at height h1 with respect to the ground, whereas the other side of the plank is little above the ground with height h2. We name these two ends as points A and point B. Now, if we place a ball on the plank at point A and leave it, it will roll down towards point B. This is because of the height difference between the 2 points, as the ball will move from higher height to lower height. Now, if we adjust the stand such that the point B has same height as point A and place the ball at point A, it will not move. This is because the height difference between these 2 points is zero. Same principle applies to the current in electrical engineering. Think of the ball as electron, the height as the voltage or potential, and the wooden plank as conductor. Whenever there is voltage difference between 2 points of a conductor in a closed loop, electrons and current will flow through the conductor from a point of higher potential to lower potential. However, if 2 points are at the same potential, current will not flow between them because of the zero potential difference. When a bird sits on a live single-phase wire, the potential difference between its feet is zero, as both points are same potential. That's why no current flows through the bird's body and it doesn't feel any shock. However, in case of a three-phase AC system, there is a phase difference of 120 degrees between any two phases. So, at any given moment, the voltages in red, yellow and blue phases will be given as. We can observe that there is a voltage difference between two phases of a three-phase AC system at any particular time. Similarly, there is also potential difference between phase and ground. So, if a bird accidentally touches two different phases of a power line or a phase and ground at the same time, current will flow to the body of the bird due to the potential difference, and it will feel shock, most probably resulting in its death. So, what if a person standing on ground touches a single phase energized wire? Definitely he will get electric shock because of the potential difference between phase and the ground, and the current will pass through his body. So, how can workers do maintenance of energized power lines? Stay with us for our next video on this topic.